Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this. It's gonna be a day in my life vlog. We are gonna have a fun day inside. This is literally my most requested video. So I'm like really stuck inside. I can't even like go in my yard because it's raining. It's 8:30 in the morning and basically, yeah, we're just gonna have a little day and I'm gonna show you guys what I do. My last video, I gave like a tips and essentials on basically how to enjoy staying inside, and a lot of you guys like that. You can go watch that if you haven't yet. But you guys wanted to know, like, to vlog a day, like, let me see what you do. So that's exactly what I'm doing today. A little while ago, I read in a book. I don't remember which book or where, but it was on like productivity and how to be like productive like in your day. And they said that within the first 10 minutes of waking up, even if it's something like really small, you should do something like productive. So I've been like making my bed every morning. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get up, make my bed, go to the bathroom, do my thing. We're gonna make some breakfast. So this morning, I have a really bad habit of checking my phone when I wake up. I need to stop doing that. But I saw Florence Pugh make browned bread for breakfast. So I think I'm making browned bread for breakfast. I go through like my favorite moisturizers list and I just pick one. Right now it's been the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve, which is like an old fave. I've used this literally forever. Put that on there so my skin doesn't get dry. Then I'm gonna do this eye cream. This is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. It's like the avocado one. Just like that. Okay, so now we're probably gonna talk about one of my favorite parts of the morning, also a super requested thing. You guys wanted me to basically do my whole own video on this, but I thought it was something I could talk about pretty quickly, so I just like put it in. Okay, so what we're gonna talk about is basically my devotion time. So I told you guys before what Bible I use, but a lot of you guys had trouble finding it, so I will link it below. And I understand a lot of you guys may not be able to like go to like a bookstore or something like that right now, so I'm also gonna let you know some like online and app like things that I have that I think would be good for you guys. So for my Bible, I have the She Reads Truth Bible. In between, it has like devotions, so it shows you how to like relate what you're currently reading to your own life. Okay, so they have a She Reads Truth app, and it's literally the exact same thing. So you guys can get the app if you guys don't have a Bible or the availability to get one. So she kind of was like, the Bible's really big, scary, and confusing, like how do I start reading it? My number one tip is to start in John and read till the end. Don't read like from beginning to end like a normal book. I would say start in John and read till the end, and then like it's easier to understand and then you can go back to the beginning. I feel like it's just easier to understand and makes a lot more sense for somebody who like wasn't like grown up like taught the Bible. So that's my one tip. Okay, and then for devotional books, a lot of you guys asked me what my favorite ones are. I have a lot, but this is just my current favorite. It's called A Moment to Breathe. So it is 365 devotions, so you can do like one a day, but I read them just like kind of randomly. So it's like a story, basically their personal life that has some sort of message, and then at the bottom I like it has a moment to breathe, so how to like reflect it onto your own life. I like that because I feel like it's interactive, so I'm not just reading something and then left to like think about it forever. And then there's also a scripture at the top that sort of like goes along with what they're writing. So I find this one really nice. So it's called Light for My Path. I literally got it for $3.50. So this is so cool. Okay, wait. So it has table of contents like in the beginning of the book, but they're all emotions. So like you go to like what you need. So they're like anger, comfort, contentment, faith, fear, forgiveness, grace, guilt, honesty, hope, jealousy, laziness, loneliness, whatever you may need or be feeling. And then it tells you where to flip through. And then they have scriptures all about what that is. This is like the most helpful thing. That is what I do. This pretty much consumes a good portion of my morning. I do this every morning. Well, I try to do it every morning. I'm not perfect. I also do it at night sometimes. And then like right now, obviously I have like nothing to do. So I do it like sometimes, honestly, a few times in the day. And yeah, I just think it's a really good way to start off my morning. I always find my day is like 1,000 times better when I do this first and just get some like optimism and positivity. So I think we're just gonna be very minimalistic with this breakfast and have like toast with butter and a matcha latte. I'm gonna put on the screen, I already filmed like a matcha tutorial on my story, so I think I'm just gonna like post that here. Learn how to mambo. Then while I cook, by the way, this is my dog looking actually adorable. She's just a little tired. It gets exhausting being this pretty all the time. It's like, see, look at her. It's a really hard job. I also actually take vitamins. I do these turmeric ginger vitamins, and then I also do an easy iron vitamin, and then I also do a multivitamin. Okay, so this is now the current moment. I've got my breakfast. I've made English muffins with butter and whipped cream cheese. I have some pears. This is like a whole green aesthetic going on here. I've got my matcha latte and of course my little Dior straw. Thank you, Dior, for that. We've got a little Rosemary Clooney playlist going on. I may just sit by my window since I have it open because it stopped drizzling and like read a book or something. Now I'm gonna keep reading a little bit more of my Bible, and then I'm gonna move on to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Okay, and so basically this is the best thing I've purchased in the entirety of my lifetime. It is a breakfast like in bed tray. It's like this white wicker one. I got it at a antique like outdoor yard sale thing for like 20 bucks, and it's the best thing ever. I eat on here. I put my laptop on here and edit sometimes. I'll, you know, just put whatever, and it is great. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, I have something pretty fun planned. Now I usually work on content. Even you guys have noticed this, I've been like posting the most I've ever posted on Instagram in my entire life. And yeah, so I normally work on content. I mean, I'm gonna do that today too. But Dior actually contacted me, Dior Beauty, and they wanted to work on me with a little project. So for them, I am making a little IGTV. So I'm excited for that, and I'm probably gonna film that now just because it's like early. Obviously the lighting is good. So I'm gonna film that makeup tutorial, and then I'm probably gonna take some pictures, and yeah. Okay, so I've just picked out everything for the makeup tutorial. Literally everything is Dior, from the moisturizers to the primers to the foundation to the concealer to the eyebrows, blush, everything is Dior. I've just changed into this dress. I still have no makeup on. I think I'm gonna keep my hair like up because I was gonna like do my hair all fancy, but then I'm like, it's a makeup tutorial, like I need it kind of out of my face. So yeah, I'm trying to get some creative angles. I have it set up right here, pointed at my mirror so I can do it like through the mirror, like I'm like getting ready. I like the angle, but the lighting isn't that good. So I'm only gonna use it for like 1 or 2 scenes, and then I think I'm gonna switch over to like where my window is. I'm gonna try it also here, just to have like 2 options, because sometimes I'll like something in the moment and I won't notice a problem with it, and then when I'm editing, I'll be like, why did I think that was okay? I do that all the time. I'll probably be doing it with this vlog, maybe even this scene right now. I'll be like, why did I think that angle was good? Okay. Okay. That is a lot of blush. Okay, quick little intermission while filming. My mom just made this amazing tomato basil pasta for lunch. I'm gonna eat this and then get back to filming. So my camera died after that last clip, so it's been charging while I finished the makeup tutorial, and it looks so good. Why does this look 10 times better than my normal tutorial? Like, I do the same makeup look every day, but I never use like all Dior products, normally only some Dior products. Why does this literally, okay, I'm really happy with this. Like, this is better than I expected it to turn out. So basically, I'm done like the tutorial and I did the talking part. So now I'm just gonna do like product shots and some like little artsy things to maybe like go in the intro to make it like interesting. My parents are out walking the dog and my mom stops to take pictures of everything. So I also decided to do a fun little lip change. Like, I did like 2 lip looks because they had sent me these brand new lip glosses and I wanted to include them, and I've been like craving a red recently. I don't know, I just feel like I never wear red unless it's like Christmas time, but I really like the look of red lips, so I want to start like getting used to wearing them more often. Yeah, so my parents are out walking the dog. I usually go with them. Literally every day I go with them, but I have to finish this video obviously. Okay, so now I'm back to being comfy. I just cleaned up the whole set of the video. I like to do that, especially like now that we're staying home, but I mean, I always kind of do that, is I clean up my messes almost instantly. So I might end up watching some movies, maybe Mamma Mia, because I haven't watched it in like 2 weeks. So I'm gonna put, I thought it would be cool, I'm gonna put like a little list on the screen right now of all of my favorite movies. I'll let you guys know underneath them like which ones are on Netflix and which ones aren't. And I'm also gonna put a few TV shows on there as well, let you know what's on Netflix, what's not. Okay, update. I'm not watching movies anymore. It's pretty dark. I'm editing, actually, this vlog that you're watching right now. Okay, hi. So I'm getting ready to go to bed now. So I figured I'd do my outro. So that was my day in my life at home. I'm so tired, so I hope that you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like me to do another one. I feel like it would be similar, but if you guys want to see another vlog, let me know. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and fashion and vlogs and all that kinds of stuff. And also make sure to check out my Instagram for just more stuff in my life. I post a lot on my stories, especially now. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.